Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime because I'm about to take you on a whirlwind tour of Europe.
Welcome to Seville. Welcome to Bonn. Welcome to London. Welcome to Cabo da Roca. Welcome to Zaragoza. Welcome to Lisbon. Welcome to Vaticano.
Over the next few vlogs, you'll be joining me as I explore 8 incredible countries and 24 amazing cities in just 1 month. That's right, buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. We are diving deep into the continent's rich history. Indulge in mouth-watering local cuisines. And be captivated by stunning sceneries. And syempre, 1 month means isang buwan din na hotel hopping.
So let's do a quick room tour. So that's our hotel.
At isa sa mga highlights sa lahat, along the way, we will also have the privilege of meeting incredible new people, creating memories that will last a lifetime.
Ano yung pinakagusto mo?
Hala, uy!
Ang dami na, hindi mo na matandaan.
From the romantic city of love, Paris, to the breathtaking sceneries of Lucerne, from the winding canals of Venice, to the ancient ruins of Rome, from the colorful plazas of Seville to the architectural marvels of Barcelona, from the iconic skyscrapers of London to the vibrant streets of Lisbon, this trip will be packed with rich culture, beautiful sights, and unforgettable moments. Kaya, tara na guys, let's the journey begin!
What's up guys?
I'm so excited kasi this is my European trip. And 1 month ako doon sa Europe.
Wow.
And first destination ko is Paris. So yun, see you guys later.
First layover, I'm currently here at Charlotte Airport. And eto, tambay ulit sa lounge. Siyempre, avail ng mga pagkain. Kasi in a way, nakakatipid din ako. Hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng mga pagkain sa loob ng airport. So yun, dito lang sa lounge, palipas ng oras. I have another flight going to London and that would be my second layover. And then after that, London to Paris na. So yun, see you guys ulit later. Lumabas na ako guys dun sa lounge kasi nag-close na sila. So try kong maghanap ng ibang lounge and dun ako magpapalipas ng oras kasi flight ko is mamaya pang 11 and it's only 9:37. So at least may 1.5 hour pa ako. So andito ako ngayon sa Charlotte, dito sa North Carolina. And trivia lang guys. So ang pinaka first na powered flight sa buong mundo ay dito naganap sa North Carolina with the Wright brothers noong December 17, 1903. Time check is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Last flight for today and then destination na ito is Paris.
Ulap lang guys, pero ayan, palanding na kami. Ayan. Touchdown, Paris!
Just arrived here at CDG Airport, Charles de Gaulle Airport.
First order of business, habang nasa airport pa lang, ang magpapalit ng pera, dollars to euros. And right after, I book an Uber going to the Airbnb na pag-i-stayan namin for 3 nights.
Kakasakay lang ng Uber. So, yun. Medyo, di ko alam kung mahal or sakto lang kasi nasa 100 plus euros yung babayaran. And ito, time check is 6:11 pa lang and ang arrival namin sa destination namin sa Airbnb na natug ko is 7:38 PM. So, more than an hour travel time. Yung binook kong Uber is van siya, malaki. Kasi kung sedan, parang hindi kasya kasi may mga luggages ka. Yung sedan, aabot lang ng nasa 60 plus euros. Ito, nasa 100 plus.
just arrived here at the Airbnb.
The bedroom is this one. Okay, in this one there is another couple staying there. So for the Wi-Fi, you have the name and the password here.
Okay.
Okay. And here you have the kitchen, the washing machine, and glasses and lights, everything here.
All right. Time check. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. So maghahanap lang kami ng restaurants na makakainan. So as in, iniwan lang namin yung gamit namin sa Airbnb. Then labas na kaagad kami. Kasi para makakain na din. Tapos siguro tulog na kasi bukas may binook kaming photoshoot. Grabe yung pila hanggang dun sa dulo, as in yogurt and then mineral water. So di na kami lumayo masyado. Ito, nakita namin. Pakita ko mamaya yung i-order namin.
Six and a half hours later.
Good morning! So, officially it's my day 1 here in Paris. Time check, it's 9:26. So, yun. See you guys later. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Palais Royal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Palais Royal.
One eternity later.
Ayan, so sa likod natin is ang Louvre Museum. Mamaya papasok kami dyan sa museum. So maaga pa kaya bibili muna ako. Papakita ko na lang yung picture ng orderin ko kasi hirap i-pronounce. So card na lang gagamitin ko kasi sabi niya barya. Wala naman akong barya. So, right after entering, kailangan mag-security check. Ayan guys, yan yung pyramid.
As it is now, open to the long end of the Champs-Élysées, missing this part here, the Tuileries Palace.
I'm excited to see Mona Lisa. So ito guys, napakahabang hall nito. Ayan. Doon, simula doon hanggang doon sa dulo. Tapos after that, si Mona Lisa na. Excited na ako makita sa Mona Lisa. Siyempre, pinaka-famous dito. Pero meron ding mga ibang artwork si Leonardo da Vinci dito. So, hindi pala siya sa dulo ng hallway. What? Sa gitna. Tapos, ito na, yung room. Yung Mona Lisa. Isa to sa mga pinakanagandahan kong painting dito. And I think isa din sa pinakamalaki.
kakatapos lang ng tour namin. Tapos ito yung map, libre lang to dito. So ganito kalaki yung Louvre Museum. Sabi nila 2 days para makumpleto mo lahat. Tapos na yung tour. So inabot din almost 3 hours yung tour namin. Pero mabilis lang yun. Ang dami naming mga hindi pinuntahan. Kasi sunod lang kami dun sa tour guide. Hindi kami pwedeng humiwalay. So yun, andito na kami sa labas ng museum sa ibabaw. Kaya makikita nyo ulit yung pyramid. Ito, yung Louvre Museum kapag gabi. Hintay lang kami ng bus. Ayan na ata. Ay, hindi pa. Bus 95 yan. So kami, bus 69. And then, papunta yun ng Eiffel.
12 seconds later.
So, nasa ilalim kami ng Eiffel Tower. And medyo mahaba yung pila for tickets. So kung hanggang second floor lang, ito yung price. Kung sa summit sa pinakataas, ito, adults. So ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo, nag-spark yung Eiffel Tower. Ganda guys.
Day 2.
Good morning guys. So today is my day 2 here in Paris, and I think this day is one of my highlights of my Euro trip. Kasi sabi nila hindi magiging kompleto ang Paris trip mo kung hindi ka pupunta sa Disneyland. Yan yung Disneyland Park, and then that one is the Walt Disney Studio. So 2 parks here in Disney Paris. So entering now Walt Disney Studio. Kasi ang cute nung water storage sa taas. So ayan, papasok na kami sa Walt Disney Studio. I'm so excited. It's my turn. Open! So, mahina talaga ako guys sa mga rides na yun. Next ride is Cars. So, ganyan lang. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ayan guys. Bawal ilabas ang paa, ha? Sa loob lang dapat. Dito lang. Third ride done. So yun, chill lang.
And that's a wrap for our Paris trip. It's been an incredible journey filled with breathtaking sights, delicious food, and unforgettable moments. Paris has been everything we hoped for and more, from admiring the Eiffel Tower to indulging in delicious French macaroons. Sobrang thankful talaga ako guys na nandito ako ngayon.
I still can't believe guys na andito ako personally. Nakikita ko siya nasa likodan ko ngayon. I'm so happy.
Pero guys, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang pag-explore natin sa The City of Love. We just getting started. On my next vlog, mapapanood nyo ang part 2 ng Paris trip natin. And this is just the beginning of our adventure.
The most expensive country in the world. Welcome to Switzerland.
I can't wait to see what new and exciting experiences await us. Get ready as we embark on the next leg of our journey through Europe. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.